So welcome to OBLU Select at Sangeli Maldives. We're here in an overwater villa with a pool, as you can see behind me. Lovely infinity pool looking out to the lagoon, and we're about to show you a tour inside this lovely water villa. So I'll move on around here and we'll show you the outside first. So we're on the sun deck, obviously. It's like a sofa area here to kind of relax in, chill and take in the sun. Nice kind of privacy screen there. These villas are all brand new, so it's a brand new all-inclusive resort that we're at filming at the moment. So we turn around here. Down there are steps, your own private steps down to the entrance to the lagoon. So you can go and swim whenever you want. There's snorkelling equipment provided, so there's masks and fins. Jump in any time of the day you like, and we're now going to take you inside the villa. So here we are inside, as you can see, huge big double bed here with views straight out there to the lagoon. It's like an office area here, fully stocked mini bar, so it's all inclusive, so everything's included, obviously. Down here is glass floor straight down into the lagoon. So that's pretty cool. You can see the fish as they swim past. This was our welcome package here, so we had some champagne on ice and canapes there with salmon and caviar and beef and some fresh fruit as well. Over this side is a huge big sofa bed right by the window, so you can sit inside or outside, enjoy the views across that lagoon. And that is it, the inside of the bedroom. We'll take you to see the bathroom now, which is in here, and then we'll take you outside the front. So past the luggage storage and the wardrobe area there, in to check out the bar. So as you saw, that bath has absolutely amazing views straight out there to the lagoon. This is the bathroom area, so there's his and her sinks there. The toiletries they use are the White Company, so very nice stuff. Looking forward to trying that. And then behind me here is the toilet area, and in here, which we'll take you into now, is the shower, which has a glass window straight out looking at the lagoon. There's also a little sofa area and towel area there. So I'll head on into the shower. So if you can see, out the shower window, again you can just sit and enjoy the view. It's a bit bright at the moment. Again, White Company toiletries in there. Another view of the bar. We'll take you outside the front now. So here we go. So here we are outside on the main decking. You can see all the other water villas up that way and that way. So we're in a water villa with pool. The ones this side of the jetty are water villas without pools. There are island villas, there's family suites and all sorts of other accommodation available. So that's been OBLU Select. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or information, then check the comments below and the description, and we will see you next time.